Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a doubt sent by one of my students. So, this is the figure given. Okay, in this figure, what is given? PA, QB, and RC is perpendicular to AC. PA, QB, and RC is perpendicular to AC. So, which is AC? This is AC. Okay, first try to understand what is given. And then he is asking to prove 1 by x plus 1 by z is equal to 1 by y. So what is x? PA is equal to x, QB is equal to y, and RC is equal to z. He has already given it. Okay. So this is from triangles. In triangles this year, what is the concept we are studying? We studied about similarity, right? So let us try to apply the similarity. Let us see the triangles. Where do you have? Okay. So if I come from PA and PA, AC and PC, and does it form a triangle? And after that, I'll just vary it out. And for your understanding, so does this form a triangle? Okay, it forms a triangle, right? Now, so if you keenly see, already it is given that PA is perpendicular to AC, and in the same way QB is also perpendicular. That means in the bigger triangle and the smaller triangle, you have 90 degrees as common. And do you find this angle common for both? See, for PAC also it is you have this angle, and also for QBC you have this angle as common. So if you have two angles of common, so can we use a similarity? So let us write the same. So now in triangle PAC and QBC and triangle QBC. Now what are the equal parts? Angle PAC is equal to angle QBC. 90 degrees, it's given. Right. After that, angle C, I cannot write angle C. So because at vertex C, I have two different angles. So let me write it along with its arms. PCA. So angle PCA is equal to angle QCB. So what is the reason? Common. So this is common. So therefore by AA similarity criterion, because when two angles are equal, the third angle is automatically equal. By AA similarity, triangle PAC is similar to triangle QBC. And when two triangles are similar, all the angles are equal, all the corresponding angles are equal. And what is the next thing? All the sides are in proportion. All the corresponding sides are in proportion. So let me write PA divided by, so here PA divided by QB. Once you write in an order, no need to see even the picture. Next step, AC divided by BC. That is equal to PC divided by QC. See, we all know PA by QB is X by Y, right? So let me write this. That implies, because I don't have space, so I am writing beside it. QA by PA is X. X by Y is equal to AC by BC. AC divided by BC, and PC and QC, they are not because he is asking the relation between X, Y and Z. So I don't have anything, so I'll write only this. So let me take this as first equation. Okay. Now let us see the next step. Now come to this triangle. Are you able to see a triangle which is bigger, which is RCA, Understood? RCA. And what is the next one? The next one is this one. Are you able to see from this side? So RCA in triangle RCA, and after that QBA, triangle QBA, the same thing, my dear friends. So sorry, what is the angle which is equal? Because it has been given this is perpendicular, and in the same way QB is also perpendicular given. So what will you write? Angle RCA is equal to angle QBA is equal to 90 degrees. After that, what is the angle which is equal? This angle is common for both the triangles. What is this angle? I cannot say angle A because at this vertex I have two different angles. So I'll write it as RAC is equal to angle QAB. So common. Okay. So since two angles are equal, can I write it as by AA similarity? By AA similarity, triangle RCA is similar to triangle QBA. And once they are similar, so what can I write? The sides are in proportion. RC divided by QB is equal to CA divided by BA is equal to RA divided by QA. That implies I don't have place. So here RA divided by QA is not, we are not going to use it. So RC by QB. What is RC? Z. And QB is Y. So Z by Y equals CA divided by BA. So let me take it as second equation. Okay. Now please copy this. I don't have place. I don't have enough place to write. So I am going to rub this. Okay. Now, my dear students, if I see the first equation, what is first equation here? The first equation is XY is equal to AC by BC. And in the same way, second equation is ZY is equal to CA by BA. See, I can see something which is equal. AC, you have AC, CA or AC, both the same. BC, but it is BA. So what is the, when I see, what is the relation between BA and BC? Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. So I don't have BC and BA, right? So let me do something or the other with this. So shall I rub this, my dear students? Please copy it. And I am not going to rub this first equation and the second equation. Okay. Once I write, I will rub it. So this also I am rubbing. So wait, Baba, recording. So this is second equation, right? Now here see, CA and CA are equal. But what is BA? BA is nothing but BA. See, BA is nothing but CA minus BC. Is it right? Can I write it? So let me take the second equation. What is second equation? Z by Y is equal to CA by BA. Understood, my dear students? So CA by BA. Now instead of BA, can I write Z by Y is equal to CA divided by what is CA? What is BA? CA minus BC. CA minus BC. Is it right? Why I am doing this? Because in the first equation I have BC. Do you understand? I wanted to make it in those terms. So now shall I rub the first equation also? Since I have no first equation I have not copied. Let me rub this. Now let me reciprocal it. Okay, let me reciprocal. So what happens, that implies y by z is equal to CA minus BC, it will come to numerator, divided by CA. Understood? And that implies y by z is equal to CA divided by CA minus BC divided by CA. Let me distribute the denominator to both the terms in numerator. Okay, so that implies y by z is equal to CA by CA is 1 minus BC by CA. And what is BC by CA? Here BC by CA is equal to y by x, right? So it is reverse of it, reciprocal of it. Y by z is equal to 1 minus BC by AC, BC by CA. BC by CA is equal to y by x. Okay. Now transpose this to other side. What will happen? Let me check now. Shall I? Now that implies y by z minus, it becomes plus y by x is equal to 1. And now in this both, do I have y common? Yes sir. Can I take y common? When I take y common, will it be 1 by z plus here also 1 by x is equal to 1. Now let me transpose y to other side. What happens? That implies 1 by z plus 1 by x is equal to, already you have 1, it is 1 by y. This is what he asked us to prove. Understood, my dear students? So do this problem, it is very easy. See, the only thing is, what is the chapter we are studying, what is the concept, what is given, and what to find. 3 words are very, very important. What is given, what to find, and what is the concept. So if you remember these 3 things, you can solve any problem in mathematics. Okay, so take care, my dear students, and I am here to help you out. Send me problems, I'll explain you. You know my WhatsApp number, right? 052-124-7969. So inshallah I'll explain you. So please, if you understand the problems and if you like, please press the like button, share it, and try to comment, because the more you comment, it reaches to more audience. That is how algorithm of YouTube works. So take care, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Good night. It's already 9.